Grade 2 English Worksheet Week 1, Day 1. Direction. Draw a smiling face if they rhyme, and draw a sad face if they do not. Number 1. Bees, trees. Number 2. Mangoes, tomatoes. 3. Sun, apples. Number 4. Train, rain. Number 5. Cool, pool. Grade 2 English Worksheet Day 2. Complete the word below with the missing letter. Number 1, fun. Number 2, dress. Number 3, owl. Number 4, rainbow. Number 5, oval. Grade 2 English Worksheet Day 3. Direction. Encircle the words that rhyme with the first word. Number 1, slide, hide, life, twine. Number 2, sway, away, can, leaf. Number 3, yourself, shell, myself, left. Number 4, away, now, okay, fox. Number 5, race, place, nose, eyes. Grade 2 English Worksheet Day 4. Direction. Draw a line connecting the letter with the pictures starting with the same sound as the letter. Number 1, N. Number 2, K. Number 3, V. Number 4, E. Number 5, W. Thank you.